Merry Christmas, faithful caregiver. Or are you dreading it? Are you worried already that it's going to be more trouble than it's worth? Let me give you some suggestions today that will help you when you're trying to decide if your dementia loved one should go with you to family gatherings or not, or if you should just have the family gathering at home where it's more familiar for them. And these suggestions hopefully will help make it easier for you and your dementia loved one. The first thing is this: wherever you're going to be, find a space that they can go to that's quiet and away from the crowd if at all possible. If it's in your own home, wherever their bedroom is, try and make that space where people can come into that space to visit them. And one thing you can do to make it festive and cheery for them is just to get a Christmas comforter and put that on their bed, or maybe a little tree, so that they won't feel like they're being left out of all the pretty festive things that are in the other part of the home. That's just one suggestion. My second suggestion is this. This is something that my best friend did because they took care of her mother-in-law as she aged. When they had family get-togethers, because the mother-in-law would get really nervous and upset when there was a lot of people around, what they did was hired a sitter to come and sit with her in the room. And it didn't matter if there was 30 people in the house, there was that one sitter who was specifically there just to sit with her mother-in-law. And I will tell you, that made a huge difference. So you might consider doing that, or even if you're going somewhere, just hire someone to go with you so that wherever your loved one is, they can have somebody right there with them attending to their needs, and then you don't have to be worried about that. You can focus on the party itself. The third thing is this: because people will be going in and out of the room to visit with whoever your loved one is, try having a pile of just small gifts that they can give to the people that come in to visit them, because that would be fun for them to do, and it would make them feel like they were contributing to the party. And you could even maybe take a second to whisper in their ear as you're handing them the gift to give to whoever's coming in the room to visit with them, and say something like, "These are the socks that Bill likes, and I've got them wrapped up, and you can give them to him as a gift." Just something to say to them so that they can maybe even trigger a little bit of a memory, and then they can hand this person coming to visit them a gift, and that would just be fun for everybody. So a little pile of gifts, it doesn't have to be expensive things. That lets them in on the fun of giving also during the Christmas season. Okay, the fourth thing is this: no matter where you are, have the family gather at your loved one's door if they're not upset about anything, but to have them gather at the dementia loved one's door and just sing Christmas carols to them. And if they will sing the old Christmas carols, I would not be surprised if they didn't join in and sing those carols with you. So I think that would be a fun thing to do with your loved ones at gatherings. Now, the fifth thing is this, and it's really important: make sure that you take a lot of photographs. I say that constantly. Don't forget to take photographs in the midst of caring for your dementia loved one, because someday those are going to be treasured memories for you, and you don't want to miss out on getting some photographs of them and those around them that love them so much. And the sixth thing is this: don't forget before the party starts to put on a fresh adult pull-up or a fresh adult brief, whatever it is that your loved one wears, so that they won't be having accidents or leaks and be embarrassed when people are around. And I tell everybody this: go to northshore.com, because they're going to have the best products to help you give your loved one the best care. I hope you enjoy this holiday season. God bless you, and thank you as always for taking care of your dementia loved one.